If you ever wanted to start promoting your app using organic content like TikTok and Instagram, or if you wanted to scale that up, you probably run into an issue of finding good creators quickly, efficiently, without paying hundreds of dollars for software. That's why in this video I'll showcase exactly how to find a lot of UGC creators for free, how to reach out to them to propose a collaboration, and how to skip creator search entirely by using this tool that helps you create user-generated content. So let's begin. What we're going to be using is Reddit UGC creator subreddit. That is because it's filled with UGC creators for all types of niches in all types of countries. All you need to do there to find those creators is go sort by top and all time. Then find posts that mention pay collab. For example, this one, it has 400 comments, right? This one, TikTok posters needed, whatever it is, right? If you look at them, all of them have so many emails that you can scrape and reach out to, and I'll show you how to do that in a second. You just need to load them up. Depending on how many people you want to reach out to, find all the posts and you'll have thousands and thousands of creators to reach out to, talk to, propose collaboration, and work with whenever you need it. For example, this one, 400 comments as well. People sharing portfolios, examples. Now you can just go and look through them manually if you want to do that. But if you want to reach out, if you need a lot of creators, here's what you need to do. So you can either use app like Instant Data Scraper to efficiently and quickly scrape all the emails, as you can see it did right here. Or the easiest way is to simply copy all the text in this page by clicking Ctrl A and Ctrl C, going to Claude or ChatGPT, pasting that text and saying extract all emails from this text. Give it to me as a list with first name and email. If you don't find first name, leave it blank. And what it will do is actually go through all of these comments. It will find the email, perhaps it will try to find the name of the creator as well, and it will make this list that you can use to reach out, right? As you can look at it, look how many emails you're getting for completely free. Now this is just one post. You would do that across multiple posts across different subreddits. As you can see, there are hundreds and hundreds of posts right here. Now when Claude is done and it got 160 emails just from this one post, what you can do is ask it to export to CSV, format it differently, or just take all of these emails and reach out to them. Maybe do it in bulk, do it with carbon copies, or use software like Salesforce to reach out to those creators, right? And most of them will respond because they, of course, are looking for work. As you can see, they posted about it, they're active. Now here they are 6 months ago, but you'll find more recent posts and more recent creators. Now, if you want to skip all of this entirely, you don't want to scrape, you don't want to reach out, and you don't have the time to talk to people to see if they're a good fit for your product, then I suggest using this app. UGC Drop is basically a library of UGC clips that you can download and use right away. Instead of talking, negotiating to creators, waiting for them to deliver the footage, you can just go to this app, filter by the videos that you need. For example, reel, age, maybe someone long hair. You'll find all of those creators. You can preview the videos if you want. You can then download these videos and just use them in your organic content like that. Now, if you find a creator you like, you can just sort by their name. You'll find a lot more videos, and for higher plans, it costs like 1 cent per video. So it's super cheap, super quick to use, and it's exactly how I made this video that got over 100,000 likes, 5,000 people asking for the product, still asking now, just by using these clips and a demo to my product. Now, if you want to see exactly how I made this video so you can follow along step by step, I suggest you take a look at this video because there I show everything from zero to publishing the video.